Alright, here's the tool haul I got today up at Harbor Freight. As you can see, it's this anvil. It's a 15-pound anvil. It's 8 1/4 by 3 inches, the work surface on it. But it's big enough for what I want to tinker with. We'll take it out of the box. As you can see, this is the anvil out of the box. It'll be just the size that I need. I don't need anything bigger. You can see by my hand the size on it. And it's big enough for tinkering I'll do and the things that I'll be making to be the right size. Okay, so let's see what else we have from Harbor Freight. And I needed these. Either good using your hand drills or your drill press. Basically a 10-piece coarse rotary rasp file set. As you can see, no major big jobs for that. And of course, this is the free tool that they give you when you buy stuff. You get to pick. This was on sale. A top. I got that. Let's see what that rasp set. The anvil was $14.24 for this anvil with the sale. The magnetic 4-inch magnetic parts holder was free. The green top, yeah, that was $7.99. And we said the rasps, $4.99. Those are $4.99. So that wasn't too bad. Naturally, they give you the paperwork all the time. And I had to go back in. I got another free magnetic parts holder because I wanted one of these. I'd seen these, the color ones. These magnetic nut setters. These ones are in color. And I've been wanting to get those. And I didn't, and I remember them. And went back in. And these are the magnetic nut setters, the color-coded ones. This is the 1/2 inch. 7/16, the red one. The gold one, it's 3/8. The green one, that's 5/16. And the 1/4. The magnetic. And of these, I use this the most. The 5/16 the most. The small ones I use the most. The 1/4 inch and the 5/16. Not so much the 3/8. Definitely I don't use these ones as much. The 1/2 inch or the 7/16. It's really the smaller ones on the nut runners that I use quite a bit. They were alive, trying to get away. And so this is them. As you can see over here, I got another color code. That's a 10mm socket. I do like my color-coded stuff. But anyways, these are the nut runners, color-coded nut runners. And they will be used quite a bit. Like I say, I lose them, I misplace them. And right now, I'm kind of trying to get away. So that's them. And they'll be used quite a bit, like I say. Alright, back to the small tool haul. Got those and they gave me another parts, small 4-inch parts holder on that. And more magazines there, or catalogs I should say, they give you. And then also these here, these vinyl gloves. I like them. I use them a lot. My wife uses them more so than myself. And that there. And a little light that goes with it. Alright, so that's the haul for today. After we left the Harbor Freight, we went and got some Chinese food. I like these magnetic nut setters. You got a 1/4 inch, a 5/16, a 3/8, a 7/16 and a half. But they're color coordinated, so it's easier when you're picking them out of your toolbox to identify and find them. A lot easier. Also, we use these here, 25% off, and I got to use that twice today. And then we had the Chinese food, and on the way home I had to stop, and this is what I got, and you'll see. And there it is. 6-pack of Narragansett lager. I think this was $6.35 for this. These are 16-ounce cans. $6.35, and then the deposit was 30 cents. $6.25. It was $6.25. The total with the deposit came to $6.55 for this 6-pack. It's cold. It's 16-ounce cans, and it's delicious. I'll hit the spot tonight. I'm having a cold beer. So, like I said, this is the tool haul from Harbor Freight, and this will come in real handy. This anvil, I'll have to nail it down or strap it to a stump, and that's it. Okay, hope you enjoy it. And now you'll be seeing the Chinese food that me and my loving wife got.
That's really pretty.
Even the fish in the bottom.
I know, that's pretty cool.
It's called the fish bowl. This blue drink. It's the fish bowl. Over there is a Mai Tai.